वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सो आई विल डिस्कस डिविजन एल्गोरिथम। क्या होता है डिविजन एल्गोरिथम? कोई भी दो इंटीजर ले लो, ए एंड बी। ए को बी से डिवाइड करना है, ठीक है। सो बी से डिवाइड करना है तो बी मस्ट बी ग्रेटर देन 0, दैट इज बी नॉट इक्वल टू 0। देन दिस एल्गोरिथम सेज दैट देयर एग्जिस्ट यूनिक q and r such that a can be written as b into q plus r, where this q is the quotient and r is the remainder, ठीक है। and here r, the range of r will be 0 1 2 up to b minus 1, that's why r is less than b but greater equal to 0, ठीक है। how you prove this statement? I have proved this theory in my number theory lectures, you can see there, but I will give you the proof here. Take any integer. So any integer means first take multiple of b, a sequence of numbers multiple of b, that is it can be b, 2b, 3b up to some q into b, or you can say b into q, इसके बाद b into q plus 1, ठीक है। Also you can take left hand side, that is minus b minus 2b up to this, that means a कोई भी नंबर will be between any two consecutive multiple of b, that means a will be from bq to bq plus 1. Also a can be multiple of b, so therefore you can put equal sign here. Now this is bq plus b. Now subtract bq from both sides of inequality, so you will get 0 here, less or equal to a minus bq, and if you subtract bq from here you will get only b. So you can see r 0 less or equal to r less than b, this is the similar thing. So you have to prove this is r, that is a minus bq equal to r. Let us assume that. So therefore you will get a equal to bq plus r, ठीक है। And also if you put r, so this will give you r less than b but greater equal to 0. So therefore you get the form of a, that is bq plus r. But the algorithm says there exists unique q and r. That means now we have to prove that q and r is unique. Now you choose q1 r1 as a pair, similarly q2 r2 as a pair. By assuming this, we will prove that q1 equal to q2 and r1 equal to r2, ठीक है। Let's see. Let us assume that a can be written as bq1 plus r1, where r1 is less than b but greater equal to 0. Similarly, a is equal to bq2 plus r2, where 0 less or equal to r2 less than b. So we assume that a can be represented in two different way. That means we assume that q and r is not unique, ठीक है। That's why we get q1 r1 as well as q2 r2. Now we have to prove that q1 equal to q2 and r1 equal to r2. How? So both are a, therefore bq1 plus r1 can be written as equal to bq2 plus r2. Now if you calculate bq1 minus q2, and this will be r2 minus r1, ठीक है। So this is written as b into this, ठीक है। So b will divide this whole thing, b will divide the whole thing, as this is the whole equal to this r2 minus r1, therefore this will imply b also divide r2 minus r1, ठीक है। But one thing you have to know that a divides b, this implies if and only b is greater or equal to a. That means a b को डिवाइड कर रहा है, मतलब b या तो a से ग्रेटर होगा या तो इक्वल होगा, मतलब ऐसा नहीं होता है 2 divides a इन इंटीजर, ऐसा नहीं होता है कि ग्रेटर नंबर कोई छोटा नंबर को डिवाइड कर रहा है, ऐसा नहीं होता है। तो इंटीजर में क्या होता है कि अगर a b को डिवाइड कर रहा है, इसका मतलब b या तो ग्रेटर होगा इसे या तो इक्वल होगा। तो इसमें इसका मतलब क्या है, या तो b ग्रेटर होगा r2 माइनस r1 से, या तो b r2 माइनस r1 से इक्वल होगा, ठीक है। but we see that R1 less than B, R2 less than B. So this and this both together imply R2 minus R1 also less than B. But this implies this. But this is a contradiction. क्योंकि we know R1 less than B, R2 less than B, मतलब इसका जो डिफरेंस होगा R1 R2 वो भी B से छोटा ही होगा. B से छोटा होगा मतलब ये जो क्वांटिटी B से छोटा हो रहा है मतलब B इसको डिवाइड नहीं करेगा. But we consider A equal to this and this together imply this, which is contradiction. That means this cannot happen. That means we will get Q1 equal to Q2 and R1 equal to R2. That means there exists unique Q1 and unique Q and R for two integers a b where b greater than 0 such that this happen where R less than B greater than equal to 0. So this is the division algorithm. Okay? Now we will take some examples regarding this division algorithm. So if you like it, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Example related to division algorithm. ठीक है, division algorithm क्या होता है कि for a b which is integers and also this will be positive integers and b is positive one. So therefore whenever you divide a by b you will get a quotient and a remainder. That means a can be written as bq plus r where r less than b but greater equal to 0. कोई भी नंबर n ले लो greater equal to 5 और greater equal to 5 क्या होगा 5 6 7 ऐसे होगा. तो 5 से greater equal to नंबर का एक जनरल फॉर्म क्या होगा, ये होगा 5k और 5k plus 1 और 5k plus 2 और 5k plus 3 और 5k plus 4. ये 5 फॉर्म हो सकते हैं 5 6 7 8 9 ऐसे ये फॉर्म मिलेगा. कोई भी नंबर जो ग्रेटर देन 5 मान लो कि वो नंबर a है. सो a को 5 से डिवाइड करोगे तो क्या मिलेगा q मिलेगा और एक रिमाइंडर मिलेगा. जो रिमाइंडर वो क्या होगा 0 लेस इक्वल टू रिमाइंडर लेस देन 5 होगा. मतलब r का रेंज 0 1 2 3 और 4 होगा. और here this a any number which is greater equal to 5 can be written as bq, that is 5 into q plus r where r is this. So now put the value of r 1 by 1. So therefore a will be 5q when r equal to 0, a will be 5q plus 1 when r equal to 1, a equal to 5q plus 2 when r equal to 2, 5q this is not 9 this is q, okay, plus 3 and when r equal to 4 5q plus 4. So here q is positive integer. So therefore you can write this sequence of numbers in this form where k is positive integers. ठीक है, मतलब k is greater than 0. That means clearly k is 1 2 3. So कोई भी नंबर ले लो 5, so it will be this form where 5 into 1, 6 that is 5 into 1 plus 1 this is of this form, 7 5 plus 2 5 into 1 2 this form, 8 5 into 1 5 into 1 plus 3 so this form, 9 5 into 1 plus 4 this form. Similarly if you write 10, so 10 will be again 5 into 2. That means this k value which was before 1 now after this number that is 10, so 10 will be like this, 11 will be like this, 12 will be like this, 13 will be like this, 14 will be like this and 15 again will be in this form. So that is multiple of 5. Here multiple of 5 plus 1, in this sequence multiple of 5 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 ऐसे करके नंबर आएगा जो भी नंबर. ठीक है, so this is the most beautiful thing in number theory. So whatever the number you will take number greater than some fixed number, that is in this case 5, then we can find the form of the specific number which is greater than 5 or any number. So if you take any number that is equal to capital N, so ये जो number कैसे होगा n into k plus 0, n into k plus 1 ऐसे करके up to क्या होगा n k plus here n minus 1. ठीक है, इधर लास्ट में क्या आ रहा है 5 minus 1, that is This is the beauty of this division algorithm. So if you like it, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. It will be very beneficial to construct the ideas of mathematics in number theory. So for number theory, this will help you very much. So thank you very much. Keep learning, keep watching. Thank you.